Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to combine shipping on eBay. So if you also want to combine shipping on eBay, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If the same customer has placed multiple orders, you would like to combine the shipping. So what you have to do is simply go to Seller Hub. I do not have option for Seller Hub, so I'll just guide you through the process. After you go to Seller Hub, you'll be able to see several options over there. All you have to do is click on the option awaiting payments. So if a customer has placed multiple orders, what you have to do is click on the send invoice button that you can see in one of the orders. After that, you'll be redirected to another page. It will compile all the orders that the customer has placed. There is also another way how you can do that. Simply go to shipping labels. Now select all the product that the customer has bought. At the top left corner, you'll be able to see the option for shipping. All you have to do is click on it. And then a drop down menu will appear. Simply click on the option purchase shipping label. After that, you'll be led to another kind of interface. All you have to do is click on the option combine orders per buyer. And then you'll be able to combine the shipping. There is also another way to do it. What you have to do is print one of the labels. After that, you'll be led to another interface. You'll be able to see the tracking number over there. All you have to do is copy it, go back, now select another product and then add tracking number to that product. That way too you can combine shipping. So that is how you combine shipping in eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.